experience working with Kim Pao, and do you feel more confident now on camera, or do you still get nervous or jitters?
Yes, this is my first teleserye or experience as an actor. Ang experience ko naman working with Kuya Pao and Ate Kim is very friendly, very fun. Kapag walang eksena or off the set, light ang trabaho, madali silang kausapin o pwede ko silang lapitan at humingi ng advice for actors' notes. And as for nerves and jitters, I think that with more experience, hindi pa rin nawawala lagi yung pagiging nervyoso. Pero yung proseso mo bilang isang aktor para, I guess, to overcome the nervousness is built upon. And I hope to have more experiences in the future.
Yeah, you're just getting started, di ba? Pero you're in good company sa first project mo,
Yes,
di ba? The Alibi.
100%.
From Hannah Mallorca of Inquire.net for Direct Jojo. Ano po ang mga scenes na dapat abangan ng publiko sa The Alibi, ang buong katotohanan? I think she's referring to yung nasimulan ni Paolo kanina na eksena na parang may mga scenes na hindi masyadong nakita. Go ahead, Direct.
Maraming scenes kasi na hindi pa na-explain kung bakit na na-air sa Prime. So dito ma-explain lahat kung saan ang galing yung mga eksena. Plus mga big scenes na, well, syempre yung mga ibang eksena na hindi pa na sobrang tight kasi ng edited material ng Prime. So dito, for almost ilang weeks na shoot, makikita dito at ma-explain lahat.
Saka nasabi ni Pao, may mga na-shoot daw kayo na hindi napalabas.
Hindi pa napalabas, yes.
Oo,
yes.
so dito mapapanood.
Tsaka yung explanation kung bakit nagawa yun.
Alright. From Kate Nuesca of Pulp Magazine for Paolo. In this show, Paolo's character lives in a world where no one can be trusted. How did you prepare for that feeling of being a hunter, looking for the truth, while also being hunted? Someone who is in danger. Ganda.
I think one thing during the time we were shooting The Alibi, a lot of things were happening in the Philippines as well. And parang we were hungry for the truth, diba? Parang we were out for blood. We were out for answers, parang ganun. So I think parang that was one of my inspirations. And aside from that, it's just parang innate curiosity. Parang when you're curious about well, I'm a very curious person. Kapag may hindi ako alam, nire-research ko lahat dahil gusto ko kompletong detalye. Or kung nagbabasa ka ng libro, may madaanan kang isang salitang hindi mo alam, hindi ko pwedeng ituloy dahil hindi ko alam yung ibig sabihin ng salitang yan. And it's the same thing, I think, that I applied in this role. When you're constantly searching for answers, not just about yourself, but for everything around you. Parang hindi ka mapakali dahil hindi mo alam yung katotohanan. I think it's the same thing with other journalists.
No, ang ganda na sinabi mo kasi kanina, kinakwento ni Kim how yung role niya mirrors the Daily Filipino. There was lives of some Daily Filipinos. Ikaw din ganun. I mean, you mirror what should be the attitude of a Filipino to search for truth. Di ba? Agree? Okay. For Kim this time. Kim is known for being the chinita princess of rom-coms that are usually very honest and pure, while her character in The Alibi seems to navigate a lot of moral gray areas. How did you prepare for the psychological weight of playing this kind of character? Grabe naman ang mga itanong
Oo
na ito.
nga
Diyos ko naman, pang ano naman talaga.
Hello everybody, I'm Kimberly Chu from Cebu City. Hindi, charot lang. Yun yung kagandahan ng pagiging isang actor. Kasi naiikutan namin yung iba't ibang mundo ng lahat ng tao. So, masaya din na mag-tackle ng mga ganong roles. Kasi, ayun nga, for growth, for hindi ka lang naka-remain sa comfort zone mo.
Pero pag binigyan ka ba na kunwari yung kay Stella, parang do you like look for pegs? Sinong maganda dito?
Nanonood talaga ako ng mga films, or yung mga tao, oo.
May immersion ba sila, direct? Minsan?
Minsan yung
Pag alam naman yung character, siya na yung nag-search for that certain character.
Pero may time ba na parang, let's look for a case study, parang magkwento lang, gusto ko lang marinig yung kwento, parang may ganun ba kayo?
Meron naman pag minsan.
Alright. Okay, this is our last question. This is just part 1 of our Q&A. So, From Trisha Matias of Metro Style. For Sophia, what's your favorite memory to look back on from filming? Actually, gawin na natin sa lahat. What's your favorite memory while filming? In Cebu? Tama. Is it 100% in Cebu? Hindi naman. Majority lang.
80%.
Okay. So, what's your favorite memory? Isa-isa natin. Kimi, yung inapakan ka sa mukha?
Yes,
Okay.
yun siguro. And the rest of the, maybe on the choreography side as well, working with Ate Kim personally with her. And I've known her for a long time now, for a year maybe in Showtime, but now mas naging close siguro kami. And also seeing everyone here who are actresses and actors, kasi first time ko talaga, so hello, parang ganun ako. Ano bang gagawin dito? So, for the ano lang ako, observe. Tapos, I try to mirror what they do or like, I learn from them. And I ask questions as well, but mostly it's working with them closely. So, yeah. Wow, English. Oh.
Yeah, bring that with
So,
you, diba,
yeah.
for your next project.
Yes, sana
Yeah.
nga. Yes. Hello.
PJ, ikaw naman. Favorite memory?
Memory? Ano ba? Marami the bonding itself. Kasi parang minsan nga pag-isip ko, excited na ako, magka-taping na kami. Chikahan na kami ni Kim.
Nagtatrabaho ba kayong dalawa? O...
Actually, parang hindi. More on
Oh,
chika.
Or chika lang?
Marami na kami na chismis, na shopping. Shopping. Ayan.
Ikaw lang sa
Kaya ako lang pala
shopping.
yung shopping. Yun ang kinakasaya ko pag day off eh. May SNR ako eh.
Nag-plug ka pa, PJ, ah. Okay.
Mag-grocery ako.
Nice.
Pero masaya naman kasi doon din ako nag-birthday. Sinurprise nila ako. Nakala ko kasi papagalitan ako. Sabi ko, parang okay na may eksena. Ano akong ginawa? Parang tinatalakan ako ng Direk Jojo. Sabi ko,
Is a prank.
bakit?
Is a prank pala.
Yung pala may cake
Happy
na sila yun.
birthday.
Happy
Thank you
birthday,
so
PJ.
much.
That's a good memory.
Yes.
Diba? Angelina, ikaw, aside from the sa first taping day mo na,
Well, as my first serie, I think yung entire experience has been very memorable. Maybe yung my favorite taping day or taping days, my favorite moments would be when we filmed sa Temple of Leia. I feel like I really love that location and the scene and the part of the story as well. Just filming everything there.
ganda. Thanks, Angelina. Robbie, favorite memory?
Siguro dalawa yung favorite memories ko or two memories or experiences na I know I will never forget. Yung isa siguro, I'm sure naalala niyo ng lahat kung andun kayo noong lock-in na yun. Pero lumindol habang nagtitaping
Oh,
kami.
yes!
Yeah, so it was a little scary. But it was cool that we were all together, I guess. And thankfully lahat kami, we were safe.
Right.
No one in the cast or sa prod team. Wala naman sa amin nasaktan.
Right.
And then, I guess the second thing would be, as binanggit nga ni Angelina, it's our first experience.
Core memory to eh,
but,
di ba?
I guess what I will never forget and take home is how there's a true and major passion for storytelling that not just Dreamscapes or Star Magic had, but each and every member of prod, cameramen, APs, assistant directors, to the cast. I think that that congregation of people coming together for one goal, I saw a lot of beauty in it. And I'll never forget that for sure.
That's a good memory, di ba? Tao, ikaw naman, your favorite memory filming The Alibi?
Connected to sa sinabi ni Rob, kasi yeah, it was a very unfortunate event yung Lumindol, but nagkaroon kasi kami ng town hall meeting after that. So, nung nagsama-sama kami sa isang lugar, we were able to catch up. Kasi parang bihira kami nagkakasama lahat.
Totoo?
Yeah, kasi may Unit 1, Unit 2.
Okay, gets.
So, usually kasama ko si Pao kasi nandun kami sa corporate, nandun kami sa mundo ni Pao, and iba yung mundo ni Kim. So, nung nagkaroon kami ng time na mag-catch up kung ano nangyayari sa lock-in namin. So, I think that was really, something. It got us closer. Because all the directors were there, then everyone actually, lahat ng production staff. So, I think that's one memory that happened nung lock-in namin sa Cebu. That was very special. And, yeah, I hope working with Kim Pao, it's really nice. It's really nice, and I can't wait. I know I'll be working with them again. So yeah, even with the rest of the ensemble cast, it's really good.
Alright, thanks Tao. Raph,
Yeah, well, aside from Lumindol, and aside from finally, after all these years, finally sharing a frame on TV with Sam Milby. Kasi napagkakamalan ako lagi na ikaw ba si Sam Milby? Minsan no. Ganun eh. So finally, nagsama kami ni Sam sa television para malaman ng tao na magkaiba kaming tao.
Well, how do you react? How do you react pag sinasabi
Wala,
na?
I told Sam, finally bro, after all these years, we've been talking naman off screen and everything. We've been chilling out sa ASAP, and then finally ngayon, we're finally throwing lines to each other sa isang teleserye.
I'm so touched, bro. Thank you.
So, yeah, but this is not about you, bro. It's about the next point. Aside from that.
Sorry. But thank you lang.
Yeah,
Thank
so
you lang.
super awesome experience. And yung pinaka-main memorable talaga, aside yung kasam, is yung countless times na binabatukan ako ni John Arcilla sa mga eksena.
Oh.
Hindi siya masyado pinalabas sa Prime, pero
Dito.
sa Free TV, I'm sure makikita nyo yung chemistry ng mag-ama na yan na nakakabaliw.
Okay.
Seriously, as an actor. Kasi I love my dad. I grew up very disciplined because of him. And then seeing sort of flashbacks sa kung paano ako pinalaki ng tatay ko was very, I would say memorable, but the real world is traumatizing.
We'll watch out for that. We'll watch out for that. Sophia, ikaw naman.
Ako naman, aside from, I always feel excited to go to work. Kasi ang babait ng mga kasama ko at mga artista na nakasama ko. Siguro yung pinaka-favorite ko is yung meron kaming eksena ni Kim sa Temple of Leia. Tinape yun ng 3 hours. And she has been super patient with me. Parang never pa ako naka-experience ever ng ganun ka down to earth na she really was there supporting me. Nahihiya ako sa kanya. Nahihiya ako sa kanya kasi parang nawala lahat ng experience ko. Parang it humbles you talaga. And then she's there to parang nahihiya ako sa kanya. Parang deserve ko ba tong role na to? Parang gano'n. But she was there.
Alam mo, from the cast members na, Shield, ba't umiiyak ka? Hindi ka naman cast.
Akala niya siya si Stella.
Okay, siya pala yun, oo. Hindi, nakakatuwa lang kasi parang Pao and Kim, naririnig namin mismo from the cast members how you support them and, sa mga eksena ninyo. Thank you, Sophia, for sharing that. Sam, ikaw naman, your favorite part of filming? Hindi nahihirit si Paolo. Don't worry. Okay.
Kukunin ko na yung mic ko po. Mic.
Actually, the whole experience has been really fun. If you want to look at eksena mismo, I enjoyed the difficulty sa death scene ko. It was. Bakit? Ano gusto mong sabihin, bro? Sige, ano?
I think you did really great, bro. Yun lang.
It was a difficult scene, and it was a lot of different scenes with different characters, and but I enjoyed it at the same time, and the support of the other cast and just the ensemble of us working together. It was fun. But mas lalo kong na-appreciate yung mga kasama ko sa cast. It's not my first time working with Paolo. And I super enjoyed working with him. I appreciate Kim more, and a background story nung nagsushoot kami dun sa bahay niya. We were shooting in an area that's not as well off. But yung ginawa ni Kim, she's just giving out 1,000 pesos. She's giving so much money.
Kanino?
Sa mga tao na dun sa area, she was just giving out money to help the people in the area. And I just parang grabe yung puso ni Kim. I just appreciated it more. I want to let people know yun ang ginawa niya. I'm sure she doesn't want to share that, but nakita ko yung ginawa niya. She was giving out money to people na nangangailangan dun sa area. And I was such a nice thing na nakita ko na ginawa ni Kim. I thought it was a really nice thing that she did. So mas lalo ko na-appreciate si Kim Chiu because of nakita yung ginawa niya. And that's all. But in the whole cast, it was a great experience with si Direk Jojo and yung mga ibang directors. It was just a great experience, and I felt so blessed to be part of this project. It was a lot of fun.
It's a great memory para kay Sam eh. Kim! Sahod na kami lahat. Hindi, sumasahod kami, hindi pa ikaw. Sumasahod lang kami ng ganun. Care to comment lang doon sa shinare niya. I know it's very personal. I know, yeah, but Sam already shared it. Why did you have to do it?
Ano lang, hindi kasi siya sobrang ganda. Pero tsaka nakakaabala kasi kami sa lugar, which is hindi naman lahat ay nabibigyan ng bayad doon sa lugar na yun. Pero very pleasant lahat ng mga tao doon. Support talaga sila. Yung hindi mo nahihingin na tumahimik sila. Hindi mo nahihingin yung supporta nila. Pero parang it feels like home kasi mga Bisaya po na dito. So murag ka lang, it feels very close. Parang kapatid ko silang lahat. Uy, pasensya na kayo. Napupuyat sila, na ano sila. Naaabala sila in their daily lives. Yet they support us and hindi sila nagagalit at naninigaw sa amin. So, in exchange, a little something.
It's a good heart. Kim has a good heart talaga. No?
Tsaka inutang ko kasi sa kanya, kaya alam niya, wala akong cash. May cash ka ba dyan?
Totoo, ha?
Oo,
Sige.
utang muna kasi kulang.
Binayaran na ako, yes.
Pero binayaran ko siya.
Inutang
Kaya alam
naman
niya,
pala.
pautang ng konti, wala akong cash masyado.
Thanks, Kimmy, for sharing that. Pao, your favorite memory filming this? I know there's a lot. Top of it. Top of mind.
I think top of mind yung earthquake, but more than that, I think yung mga tumatatak sa akin, yung mga reaction ng mga staff and crew. Ang dami nangyari, parang nakita mo sila from being so fresh, hanggang nakikita mo yung pagod.
To ano? To fresh to?
Hanggang pagod. Tapos nakikita mo yung saya nila, minsan yung galit nila, yung inis nila sa akin. So, yun lang. Yun yung parang ang kulay.